Welcome back to my channel, The Queen Phoenix. Today's little project is this cute little coaster that I quickly worked up, and I decided to share the pattern quickly. You will start this. So, of course, you're going to need your hook and your yarn and all of those things, but this is extremely quick. So you're going to grab your yarn and make a magic circle. And you're going to immediately chain 3. This 3 counts as your first double crochet, and you're going to go back in and you're going to make a further 11 double crochets. When you get to the end of your round, you will have a total of 12 double crochets, including the 3 chain. At the end of your row, please pull your magic ring close and slip stitch into the very first double crochet that you made. Chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet, and into the very same stitch make 1 double crochet. The pattern for this round is 2 double crochets in each stitch right around, 2 double crochet in each stitch right around, and you will continue to do this until you get to the end of your round. And when you get to the end of the round, you will have 24 double crochets. At the end of your row, please slip stitch into the very first double crochet. I'm not going to fully slip stitch. I'm taking some other yarn. So once I push through, I'm going to join it with the new color and just pull it through. And you're going to immediately chain 3, which counts as your first double crochet. I'm just going to quickly work the new yarn, make a knot with the new yarn and the old yarn so that it doesn't move and that it's quicker to work away a bit later. Into your very first stitch, you're going to go in and make another double crochet into the same space, please. Now I'm pulling up the red also. Let me just fix that quickly. In the next stitch, please work 1 double crochet. The pattern for this row is as follows: 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. In the following stitch, 1 double crochet. Next stitch, 2 double crochet. Following stitch, 1 double crochet, and you will continue that all around your round. When you get to the end, you will have a total of 36 double crochets in this round, and this is row 3. Just continue to work the exact same thing right around your row. Of your round, you're going to slip stitch into the top of your third chain, and then you're going to slip stitch into the next stitch. So that is row 3. For row 4, we're working chain stitches in between our double crochets. So you're going to, if you want to change your color, it's fine. I'm not going to for this one. You're going to chain 3. Into the exact same stitch, I'm going to go in and make a double crochet. I'm going to chain 2. I'm going to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2. Into the next stitch, I'm going to make 2 double crochets, followed by chain 2. I'm going to skip 2 stitches and make 2 double crochets, followed by chain 2. Skip 2, 2 double crochets, 2 chain, skip 2, 2 double crochets. At any time, if you feel I'm going too fast, you can always slow down this video, or you can do the reverse. If you think I'm going too slow, please use the settings and slow down this video. Also hit like, comment. When you try this video, tag me in so I can have a look at what you're doing. Most importantly, if you don't mind, just hit subscribe there. This helps me to keep on creating content for this channel, which is regularly updated with free content and free projects, free tutorials. You'll continue this way until you get to the end of your row. When you get to the end of row 4, this is what you'll have. Don't forget to chain 2 at the end, and you're going to slip stitch into the 3rd chain from the bottom. So this is where we are now. For the next row, you will only be working in your 2 chain spaces. So you have an option. You can either pull your yarn, cut it, or you can slip stitch in there and change the color of your yarn, or you can continue with the same yarn. I'm going to quickly do a color change. Again, I tell you, it's your choice. I'm just slipping on the new yarn. For this row, please chain 3 immediately. And you're going to work 4 double crochets into this chain 2 space. Remember, your 3 chain count has 1 double crochet. So there you go. In the next chain 2 space, please make 5 double crochet. In the next 2 chain space, another 5 double crochet, please. And you're going to continue working 5 double crochet into each and every 2 chain space right around this coaster until you come to the very end of your row. If you're not going to turn this into a coaster, it'll also make a nice pretty little doily. When you get to the end of this round, please slip stitch into the 3 chain. Chain 1, you're going to cut your yarn, of course, but you are officially all nicely done. Please don't forget to work in your tails. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is the Queen Phoenix out. Peace.